Okay, so now I came to my host's place and back to editing. I don't know where I'll go to tomorrow, so I think I might even take the train if I can't fix a place. So I'm trying to do that now. I have this automatic pump from Amazon. So it took some time to change the tire. Changing for the first time, I think it was still pretty okay. Could have been probably done better, but yeah, I think it's good that it happens now than it happens on the roads. But I have long roads because today I have only like 20 kilometers or something to just go and see around Zurich, so that's pretty okay. And now I'm just gonna set the PSI I need and hopefully be done with it. Let's see. Oh no, I think while I'm putting it I punctured it again. Fuck, man. Okay, now I put the puncture thing on the other tire. I'm really learning it as I'm going, man. I just hope it doesn't rain while I'm doing this. Yeah, it just went off. I was staying here with my host, and now I'm changing it. And I put the correct one, but I think when I was putting it in, I again punctured it. But now I put this one to this. Okay. So yeah, now I'm trying to fix it.
Okay, I'll let you make it finish with that part. No problem.
Yeah?
It's not mine.
Oh.
It's my pet. No problem.
Alright, thank you. Sorry. People are really nice here, man. The guy just said apparently this was his parking place, but he wants park it for now until I fix the thing. That's so kind of him. I hope it works this time. I'm not hearing anything, lads. I think it's working. Yes. First tire fix managed. And now the only thing is to put the tire back in and hopefully be on our road. I just found a snake skeleton. What the hell? Look at this, bro. Yeah. Didn't expect that. Okay, let's get on the road. Hope everything is fine. I was just swimming here and had a nice chat with a guy called Peter on the side. I think this was definitely a well-deserved swim after all that fixing. And now I'm gonna make my road to Zurich. Okay. Yeah, this is good. My front tire is still punctured. It takes some time to let the air out, but it survives for 10 kilometers or so. Yeah, the atmosphere so far is pretty good, honestly. I'm gonna walk around Zurich for you. I think this is the central station. I just had some McDonald's. I tried to see the McDonald's index. What was that? Yeah, Big Mac index. I think it was around like 16, 17 euros, bro. This place is expensive as fuck, man. I mean, it's nice for sure, but yeah, it's really expensive. It's way more crowded than I thought. The city looks good still. I think I would enjoy living here, but if I was a student or something, I think I would then enjoy it. But it's really, really crowded, bro. Like, it's almost 6 now, so I'm assuming right after work. It's probably one of the crowdiest times. They do speak German here, but I think it's a bit different. Now I'm again going to a host. Actually, this host I found through the girls that I met on the first campsite. They said they knew someone in Zurich. And I was like, of course. There are these little fountains everywhere, so I'm gonna fill some water up, see how it tastes. It's pretty good. Honestly, I think the water I drink in Switzerland in general is pretty good. Especially if they're from the mountains. Then it's like really good. This front tire thing is annoying me, man. Like, I fixed it and then I punctured it while fixing it. Then I fixed the puncture and it felt like it did work. But it seems like it's just only for 20 kilometers or so it stays alive, and then then it just dies. Apparently normally people are not that smiling here and welcoming, I guess, but when they see the bike pack set up, then they're pretty welcoming. I think it might be because it's like a big culture here. Been a long day. I'm gonna properly fix the front tire today, and hopefully tomorrow I can be on the road properly. And the day after, I think I'm gonna arrive to Ösjünen Lake or something. But yeah, man, long day. And after a long day, the couch feels amazing.